Okay, we have got an entire battery of people who've been covering every inch and corner of the game. Shivani, of course, is right in Colombo, where the action is. She's from outside the stadium. Simran is also joining us from the Sant Kabir Cricket Academy in the national capital. And then there is, of course, Ananya Gupta, who's joining us live from the Shivaji Park in Mumbai. And Abhay is also now joining us from the Second Innings Academy, which is in Greater Noida. But to Shivani, it's over to you now, Shivani. But the big question, when I want to ask you, will there be a handshake?
Well, we don't quite know, but I don't think that there is anything that has happened that suggests that that handshake policy should change. So that is where I leave it. I think there is some murmurs that are coming in after Mohsin Naqvi was here last evening. He met the team and, he met the team earlier today as well. I think there is a sense going around that there will be no change as far as the BCCI stance on handshake is concerned. But having said that, let me just show you a little bit around. I have some fans with me also who have collected here. Sir, where are you from?
Singapore.
You come from Singapore?
Yes.
Based in Singapore?
Yes, based in Singapore.
Why so much josh to come down for this India-Pakistan match?
Just to watch India defeating Pakistan once more time. That's worth it.
This is a big game nevertheless, right?
Yes, it is, for sure. We are hoping to have a close match.
Yeah.
So that,
That's the Pakistani team coming into the stadium. I can see Mike Hesson there, the team coach. Pakistani team now entering the stadium. This is roughly 2 hours before the match. This is happening. Yes, sorry to interrupt you there, but Pakistani team doesn't have any hopes against India.
Yeah, they are. And I don't want a one-sided match.
Yeah.
I have come all the way from Singapore, so I want it to be worth it. So I want the match to be good.
What is your sense? India is obviously a more dominant team, but any worries at all in your mind?
No, I think in the last 10 games we've been pretty dominant, and I was there for the last Melbourne game.
I was there too.
Oh, you were there too. So we pulled off an absolute miracle. So
But we had Virat Kohli then.
we had Virat Kohli, but you've got probably equally got a better team, better players now. So I don't think the worry is about playing, India winning, but we're just hoping for a good game.
Yeah.
Politics and all the drama aside, we just want a good game.
Should there be a handshake or no? That's what everybody is questioning, because I'm sure cricket followers like you would have seen in Asia Cup 3 matches we did not shake hands. Eventually we did not even take the trophy from Mohsin Naqvi.
Yeah, I think it's a divided opinion, but I just feel that it should be a binary thing. If you're playing the game, then just play it in the spirit of the game.
Okay. If you're playing the game, then shake hands too. Nothing
No,
wrong.
I would not say that. Whatever our government decides, that's the right thing to do. We are here to play a game. We play the game. There is no protocol to shake the hands, and we don't want to shake the hands, and that's fine.
That's fine. Exactly. So as you can see, opinion is very divided. You talk to 10 people, you'll get a 50-50 verdict on whether there should be a handshake or not. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं इंडिया
कहाँ से?
गुजरात, सूरत।
गुजरात से आए हैं। सिर्फ मैच के लिए आए हैं?
सिर्फ मैच के लिए
इतना जोश?
बस इंडिया विन
इंडिया विन। आप?
मैं चेन्नई से आएगा.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I'm come with my family.
Yeah.
And
okay.
our birthday is tomorrow.
Oh, so you want an India victory to celebrate?
Yes. So, as you asked, about the handshake, they supposed to done earlier only, but it is because of full and full politics only. SKY or Babar Assam, they don't have anything in their heart. They are pure players only. The joy is still cricket. So that's why I spent this much and I came here. December 11th, I fortunately get the 2 tickets, and day before yesterday I got the ticket for her also. Fortunately, when they opened 8 o'clock. So we were very happy. So there is nothing between players. They play with their full josh and energy for the country. Unfortunately, it's because of the politics only. So 100% because of the drama, whatever they done Pakistan now, definitely there will not be a handshake. There will not be an handshake. There should not be an handshake.
Okay. Because Pakistan did the drama that it did of trying to boycott this match, trying to show solidarity with Bangladesh Cricket Board, but everybody knew that they will eventually come out and play. But what we have seen here is that a lot of fans, their plans were completely sent awry because of that boycott match. You suffered because of that boycott drama as well, right?
Yeah, because of we had the bookings, we had bought the tickets so much, the drama going on, so whether to go or not to go. But I knew that the game would happen, so I kept my tickets, I kept the hotel booking all tapped, and it's all worth it now.
It's all worth it now. All right, let me show our viewers around this street where, all the fans are now beginning to collect. A lot of security arrangements have been made because there are a lot of elderly and others who are also coming around here. You can see there's a whole stream of fans that are actually coming from this street. Buses full of fans. I've seen a lot of buses, tourist buses that are collecting with all the fans in them, and then they go and drop them towards the other side of the stadium, and then they come here. A lot of them them waving flags, come with their full dress. I have here some super fans also now collecting as far as these streets are concerned. India के लिए cheer करके दिखा दीजिए.
जी बिल्कुल, भारत माता की जय। कम ऑन। सो हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे अपने टीम इंडिया को, अपने हीरो को, कैप्टन सूर्य दादा को सपोर्ट करने के लिए।
अच्छा।
2024 के जीत के बाद रोहित सर ने T20 फॉर्मेट से संन्यास ले लिया था, तो इसलिए मिस यू रोहित सर। पर रोहित सर के नाम का परचम जहाँ पे भी होगा वहाँ लहराते रहेंगे और उनकी मौजूदगी ये रहेंगे।
बट कौन सा बड़ा प्लेयर होने वाला है आज मैच में?
अभिषेक शर्मा हो सकता है, कुलदीप यादव हो सकता है, ईशांत शर्मा हो सकता है। हमारे सारे प्लेयर फॉर्म में चल रहे हैं, तो ऐसा
क्योंकि
कुछ नहीं है।
हम लोग मुंह से जवाब नहीं देते, हम लोग बैट बॉल से जवाब देते
हमारे
हैं।
लगता है हमारे 5 प्लेयर ही काफी हैं।
यस, बस 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 बस।
All right, 5 प्लेयर ही काफी है. We have another big fan coming here. आप भी आगे. धोनी फैन is here. धोनी सर के नाम से कोई मैसेज है टीम इंडिया के लिए?
बिल्कुल, धोनी सर ने तो पहले ही एक इंटरव्यू में बोल दिया, ये बहुत खतरनाक टीम है जो उतर रही है इस साल, और बस ये दुआ करे पाकिस्तान कैसे बचेगा टीम इंडिया से, क्योंकि टीम इंडिया आज जो धोएगी ना पाकिस्तान को, वो अलग ही लेवल रहेगा। और टीम इंडिया अगर पहले बल्लेबाजी करती है तो मैं कहता हूँ 200 प्लस बोर्ड पे होना चाहिए, और हो रही है ना उस्मान तारिक, तो मैं कहूँगा तारिक पे तारिक कौन चेंज करेगा? अभिषेक शर्मा, ईशान किशन की तारीख बिल्कुल तैयार है, तो बस यही कहेंगे, जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा भाई, जीतेगा। भारत माता की जय।
We've got some other fans. You're from Mumbai, is it?
No, we are from Colombo.
Colombo, you're wearing a Mumbai Indian station.
Yeah, we support India all the way.
Yeah, Sri Lankan fans here as well. You're also from Sri Lanka. You play cricket?
No, we're from India.
You're from India.
Yeah.
Based in the US.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've come specially for this match.
Yeah, especially this match.
Why is India Pakistan so special?
Because India's gonna win all the time.
India's winning all the time.
And we miss Rohit Sharma this time.
Yeah. So between India and Pakistan, Sri Lankans will support India and get.
Yeah, 95% India.
Okay, great. You guys have come from the US, is it? Yes.
Hi, how are you?
You and
This is my son.
This is your son. Okay.
All the family.
So when did you make these bookings? Because there was a lot of tension going on whether the match.
About a month and a half ago, and we overpriced it, but that's okay. We stuck to it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's good that you stuck to it because a lot of people were now missing getting the tickets.
Absolutely. I hear it's open now, though. Tickets are available now.
Yeah, a few of them are now
Yes.
available. But tell me something. Why is this India-Pakistan match so special for you?
It is. We're passionate about the country. It's all about the game. So both sides play amazing game. Wish them good luck. But we want India to win.
Exciting, this game.
Who's your favorite player, ma'am?
For me,
Abhishek.
Abhishek Sharma.
We're all-
Suryakumar all the way.
Suryakumar Yadav.
Suryakumar Yadav. All right, so Abhishek Sharma is all set to play this match, and I think a lot of the public is looking forward to watching him. He missed out one match, and there was some, lack of clarity whether he will play this match or not. But at the top of the order, if Abhishek Sharma gets going, then absolutely India will have a strong advantage. Let me show you. A lot of fans have come here from all across. There are Sri Lankan fans. You're from Sri Lanka?
Yeah.
Yeah, which team are you supporting?
I am a Sri Lanka supporter. India with the Pakistan today match.
Which team will you support today?
I am supporting Sri Lanka.
No, in
Today.
Indian.
Today India.
Pandya.
Hardik Pandya.
I like today India.
India. Okay, great.
I like this Pakistan.
Oh,
99% sure.
Pakistan will win. Okay, all right. You've got fans. India supporter. Where are you from? From Sri Lanka. Colombo. Why do you support India?
I like
Which player?
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill. Well, he's not there in the T20 team, but you have a lot of other stars. Where are these gentlemen from, sir? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Hello.
From where are you from?
Bombay.
From Bombay?
Delhi.
All the way.
Just for this match?
Of course.
Were you nervous when there was this all boycott call happening?
Not at all. We booked.
We knew the game was
They
going to
need the
happen.
money, we don't.
It's
all about the money, honey.
It is. So you were sure the match will go on?
100%.
We have to see them lose. Of course. Jeetega.
Excellent. So fans here very confident of an India win. They're very confident of the fact that even the local Sri Lankan fans are going to support India. Back to you in the studio.
Shivani, lucky you're going to get to watch the match, but that's quite a josh.